Alright guys, I'm using these penny tiles, right? I gotta cut these in half. So what I like to do is, I'll take a piece of blue tape and I'll put it on the tile. So what this does is kind of holds everything together. Right? Bend it over. Now, I'll make my mark. So I gotta go center of the second row. So I'll make a mark center of that tile. Make a mark center of this tile. Now I have my score cut on the piece of weedy from the wet saw. So now I'll just line up 2 marks with my saw cut. Right there and right there. So that's where I know I'm going to be cutting, right? The tape helps because it keeps everything intact. All these little pieces don't move around. The float works, but the tape works even better. Now I'll hold it. I know where my blade is going to be. So I'll hold this nice and tight, and I'll run it through